Have you ever stopped to wonder, how is toilet paper actually made? It's something we all use every day, yet most of us have no idea what goes into producing those soft, white rolls. The process is fast, high-tech, and surprisingly fascinating. And today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a modern toilet paper factory. In this video, we'll follow the journey from wood pulp to the roll in your bathroom. You'll see how massive machines turn trees into ultra-soft tissue in a matter of minutes. It's a combination of science, engineering, and precision manufacturing you never knew you needed to see. It all starts with trees, typically from sustainable forests. The logs are debarked and chipped into small pieces before being cooked with water and chemicals to create a slurry called wood pulp. This pulp is then cleaned and bleached to get that bright white color. The pulp is sprayed onto massive mesh screens and passed through heated rollers that remove excess water. As it dries, it forms long, continuous sheets of tissue. These are rolled into giant parent rolls, often over 10 feet wide. The large tissue rolls are fed into cutting and perforating machines that slice the sheets into smaller widths and stamp those signature tear lines. The speed? Over 100 rolls per minute. Each roll is compressed, wrapped in plastic, and stacked in bundles for packaging. Robotic arms sort and box the rolls before they're shipped to stores around the world. Surprised by how much tech goes into making toilet paper? Tap like, share your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours and everyday product secrets. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.